10 critical questions for business owners. What problem does your business solve? Not what you're selling, not what you're doing, not the objective or anything of that. What problem does it solve? What need of the customer does it address? How does your business generate income? It might be through sales, but it might be through services, but that is not the answer. It is that how do you obtain the profit margin, and how does the profit margin, of course, after cost leads to net profit. Which part of your business are not profitable? Do we know what products are not profitable, what service are not profitable? Do we look at the data? What does the data say versus the knowledge in the team? Because we need to, of course, communicate the data to the team. Is your cash flow positive each month? I think that is something which is important, and of course, which need to be looked at. What is your pricing strategy and why? You might have a pricing strategy, but is your pricing strategy correct? Is it relevant? Can it be better? How often do you review it? How effectively do employees generate revenue? And then, of course, it's about effectively. And how do you create it effectiveness? Of course, you need to do internal training. You need to analyze data again. You need to make sure that you have the right people. You need to have a good culture. And all of that contributes to getting everyone to work effectively. What's your customer retention rate? Do we look at the data? How much many of our customers and sales relate to current clients and clients who came back, or how many new clients do we acquire? It's also something to look at. Does your customers do referrals? Do we know of it? Can we measure it? Do we have that relationship with our clients that they make referrals to us? Do we do surveys, for instance? What are your most valuable and most costly customers? Do we look at them? Do we look at the customers which generate the most revenue for us? And do we look after them, look after that relationship? Do we migrate other customers to the top customers? And how do we make changes with regards to costly customers? And can we retain and doing something different with regards to those customers? And is your social media strategy effective? We all have social media strategies, but are it effective? Does it lead to what we want it to be? Do we look at the data there? Do we calibrate it every month or every 6 months? There's a review and that we improve on it. Is it relevant to a customer base? The people who react on our social media, is it people relevant to us? Is it people buying from us? There are many questions which I ask ourselves, and if we look into it and go through this exercise regularly, for sure you will have a better business and you will increase revenue.